Hi, I'm Teresa Maldonado-Marchak, and I wanted to help you navigate my Acuity online software scheduling system to help you to schedule your virtual or in-person classes with me. Now, this tutorial is for everyone. It's just very short. First thing I want you to do is, if you prefer booking on a device like an iPhone or an iPad, go ahead and go to the App Store and download the Acuity Scheduling Client, and it will look like this. Make sure you don't download the Acuity Scheduling for admin. It'll ask you what business you're searching for. Enter bonesmartpilates.as.me. That'll sync you with my schedule. The second thing I want you to do is to bookmark especially if you are working from your laptop, bookmark my landing site for Acuity. And that's bonesmartpilates.as.me. So this is my scheduling system landing page. Number one, you want to log in. So before you do anything or select any classes, log in. That way it will record and save your classes that you've registered in one place so you can always look at it on the back end. The biggest problem I see is people skip that step. Logging in will let you see your upcoming classes, and if you've purchased discount class bundles, it'll show you how many classes are left on your certificate. It also lets you easily cancel or reschedule appointments. I want you to log in, okay? So that is number one, you log in. And then it will just prompt you to put in your email address and password. If you have not created an account, do that now. And the URL to create an account is in this newsletter. So just click on that and create your account. Then you have all these different categories like group virtual class, new client, welcome chat, private virtual or in-person classes, and so on. And you can just click and delve in deeper. I'm going to end this now and create separate videos for different categories so you can just spearhead into the area that you're interested in. Hope you found that helpful.